the top. It's in the box. We've got a huge one connect box. I'll one down there for me. God, it's heavy, that is. So I'll open that up. One lead. Screws. That's the cable neck. Oh, that comes off nicely now. Because the other one, you were yanking it and you thought you were going to break the thing. Cool. You see, oh, it's not bad actually. It's thicker, but it's more uniform. It's not tapered. Yeah. So that's because it's got the backlight behind it. It's not edge lit. Follow a local dimming.
You got that.
Right. I'm just going to lean it here a sec. I'll flip the box over.
Some weight to it.
Yeah, counterbalance. TV. Tip over. Build it on the box.
Yeah.
It's not a sleeve, just a sheet.
You got that?
Yeah. Tempted. I might have one of these and not an OLED. You never know. See what the prices go like. It's not too thick at the bottom either, is it? It just taper a bit.
It reminds me of the picture frame tellies.
Yeah.
A bit.
Similar, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
the backing is. Cool. Just get the stand built. Feels steely, doesn't it? That is steel, that bit.
I'm glad I've done the black one.
Yeah, I like it black. It doesn't distract your eyes then when you theme tune on the video. That'd be awesome if like going back to the 80s. 4 of them. They're for the TV, aren't they? Oh no, they are actually. Nope. Oh, what? I was going to say that should locate in.
Only got like a little, almost like a little clip thing now, have they?
Yeah. That's different. They're the. Is that going to be lock in for the
What, they wall mount?
no gap wall mount? Possibly, because the other one locked in on those holes. We'll soon see. Cover on. Put the neck on for now.
Do you want that bit of rubbish in that?
That should clip in. That's
Hang on.
Stick it. One connect cable. I forgot that clips in, doesn't it? Harness it. Clips in the harness. Oh, that is in. Oh, it's just weird. There's a gap there. Cool. That's for your cables to come out. Right. One connect. That's the same again, isn't it? It's power and signal, that. It's just power to the box. Like that, the other one we did.
Yeah.
That's your one connect, isn't it? For HDMI's, LAN, optical, aerial, twin sat for recording.
Is there anything else
Mains.
on the edges?
3 USBs, USB 2s. There was a USB 3 on the other year. I'm sure there was. Maybe they figured they don't need a USB 3 because it had the blue socket. But yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what. Well, you can see it. That's the one connect end. That's the TV end. Should click in if I take the cover off. Oh. Awesome.
Is that in right?
Yeah, I tell you what, it's only the one connect lead that goes down there as well, because the power comes from the one connect box up this cable as well. There's no because you used to have to get your mains in there, so there's only one wire that's in there. To be fair, if you had this wall mounted and you just had that one wire going up the wall, it's not that bad, is it?
No. Time for the porn.
Oh yeah. Oh, why is that sticking? Oh no! What the hell?
Oh, the sticker stayed stuck on, hasn't it?
Yeah. The hell? Oh, what?
Is that the sticker? Oh, it's all right. It's not the
off,
it's not the actual film.
Yeah, the film's
It's
not
just
come off.
Yeah.
Whew. Panic then, because I have pulled one of these screens apart before. I think I was the only person to do it. Must be so special. Oh yeah. So it should be that black when it's a black screen, because the LED should all dim locally.
Yeah. I bet you still get a tiny bit of bleed.
Go. Ooh. Oh, why is it white over there? Cool. Oh, it's going to want to set up off my phone, but we'll ignore that. Just pairing the remote. I'll tell you what I haven't done, stuck the LAN cable in.
Don't know.
Cool. Agree to everything. Does it say pause? It's not saved. Oh, there we go. Yorkshire for us. Yes. That's it, isn't it? YouTube's already on there. Nobody wants Facebook on the TV. That would ruin your evening, wouldn't it?
David.
Rubbish.
Thank you so much for your
Can
time.
we film that?
Yeah, it's BBC. I'm just going to put it onto...
Get straight in the red, stun it in just top side of the pipeline.
Straight onto the HD. Not bad for out the box, I don't think, anyway.
Time for more live music now with exclusive performance
live
tracks
music.
from Golden, her six.
Got to do a video in the dark and get some white scenes, white bits on dark backgrounds to see how much of the bleed there is. But I saw a bit and they had like black and white piano keys and there wasn't much sort of haloing around the white stuff, so it looked pretty good. Oh God!
And so am I.
Oh. Have a quick look at the remote. Ambient mode again, microphone, so you can talk to it when you're lonely. Be that ambient mode, just do your background so it looks like your wallpaper or whatever when it's on standby. Home button.
He's been loitering and watching
Just try it
his
quickly.
father.
Netflix. Wait. That's it. Just have a quick look over the top of it so you can see the figures.
You could do with putting something on there so you can see the difference.
How do you mean?
You got like a 10p piece or something.
Oh, got a pound.
Oh, that'll do.
An English pound.
And you get to sort of roughly see how thick it is.
Yeah, oh, 20p piece.
20p. Ooh, it's about a 20p.
Oh, 10p. More a 10p.
More a
isn't it?
10p, yeah.
It's not bad though. I could get away with that on my wall. Especially if you had that no gap mount. So
Well,
it's
yeah, at least
nice
they've
and
made
tight.
it flat
It
at
may
the
as well
back.
be that thick at the top, because if it is at the bottom, you don't gain anything, do you, being thin at the top? That's cool. That'll do.
The informer has news about Sayyid Azim, the kidnapped teenager.
Turns all the colours are nasty. Oh yeah, that's what I saw. Bit haloing.
Doesn't look bad.
Oh good, yeah. Sharp though, isn't it? You're climbing nice and close then. Maybe it's an angle, I don't know. See a bit around the bottom right. They do look freakishly lifelike things going in there, don't they now? Because the details get in there.
Yeah.
This is a different demo then. Oh, that's now the other demo.
Oh, that's the no gap. Oh. This one we saw on all the telly.
Yeah, it's a cool demo though. Less annoying than last year's when you hear them going on all day. I often mow my cake on a Sunday. It's got the bare broccoli. Sounds actually pretty good on these Q-Lights and all. I noticed on last year's they were decent. When you did the soundbar demo and you switched the soundbar off, all the customers were like, oh, damn, TV sounds too good. So you can buy one. God, they're so healthy, they're going to eat that big broccoli. Eat your greens. You're not going out to play TV, eating all your broccoli.
Swimming up the
I
building.
know. Stuff like that looks awesome though, doesn't it? Cool.
Right.
Yeah, that'll do.